Hello friends, today I will show you my trading bot that gives out a signal with an accuracy of 97%. So let's go into it and get the first signal. The opening signal, and let's look at the results. As we can see, our first trade is working perfectly, and let's look at the second signal. We have a down signal, and let's look at the result. We can see our trade is working perfectly, and let's move on to the next signal. The up signal. And yes, friends, our third trade closes in the plus again, and we move on to the next signal. We've got another upside signal, and let's watch the result. And yes, friends, the trade closes in the positive, and we'll move on to the next signal. Now we're going to find a trading pair and we're going to open a trade down and let's see the result. The deal closes in. Plus, again, we have already earned a good amount of money, and let's not stop and move on to the next signal. We've got a downside signal on the British pound to the Japanese yen. Was very close, but the trade closed at 0. Next up signal, Euro to Canadian dollar, and let's watch the result. And yes, the trade closes in the plus side again. This is the end of our trading session. If you want to try my trading bot, go to Telegram channel and write to me. I want to trade with the bot. Good luck and see you.